All right, chill. Bro, elephants like entertainment. Deadass. They're smart as fuck. I'm just backflipping. Backflipping for the elephants. Oh. See, he liked it. He liked it. See, he liked it. He liked it. See, Chad, he liked it.
That's all they needed.
He liked my backflip. See? He liked my backflip. We just backflip with an elephant. Like it's up. Shit, they like my backflip. The fuck? Elephants chill.